Kani gadega Pati CCTV.
Dak ispangot kinu hikai jong akan hon fourth teacher kiba hikai haki school SSA baper haki class upper primary klai shimenta haki jeki hak khanyo trek mata obnal ber dak basong kelan mengor hakmat ka office rekam jong ka Directorate of School Education and Literacy Shillong kani ke jeki jong kini kinu hikai kolong hadin ban persya ya ke jingle menti ke sarkar jela ban kentio no ya ke tulop jong ki kaba kila dawa menta labon senam kini kino hikai hapo ke Shatri jong ka Meghalaya SSA School Association Fourth Teacher Committee kila padram jor ya ke sarkar jela balalam khmat dak seng kongres hapo ke jelam jong menteri rongba ke jela u Dr Mukul Sangma halo ke jing bam setnyo ya ke jing dawa jong ki komjo ke jing pensak teng hakaban penkeu ya ke tulop jong ki khatsan spa arpoingon kino hikai ki bahikai haki school SSA Upper Primary hakaleng ke jela hakane ke sngi kini kino hikai kila shimru ya karai balada ke sarkar kampan urlong ya kini ke jing dawa jong ki hapo ka life way trek matau benai kimban se ban panjor de jing ki dak ba perlong ya ke jing ya pa ba hanong ba shilong rengkat ki khon ki kti jong ki hau benai banwan hakne ke sngi ki khat ke BJP youth wing hapo ke jelam jong president usamla agent star kor kalang kelaj ban ai ke jing kersan ban ai man sem lem ya kini kino hikai.
So today we have gathered here because it is a long pending issue. 4 years we have waited for the government to take some action, but there is no response from the government side. It ends up only verbally promised from the verbally assurance from the government that the government will enhance the salary of 4 teachers, but it ends up only in vain. So we come here today to gather to demand for our rights, and we hope that the government will listen to our rights to give us today with an assurance that the government will enhance the salary of these 4 teachers within this financial year. And if the government fail to enhance the salary of 4 teachers within this financial year, there is no another option. We may have to proceed ahead with another agitation programs in the coming days.
For the 4 teachers, the government keeps silent. That's why when we have got this forwarding letters only from the director on 15 this month, they call me, then I have got this copy of forwarding that they already sent and forward to the government. They already enclosed the views and comment for regarding this issue of the 4 teachers. So, as President already, we will take decision after the end of this agitation program. Then we will inform you what is the second step of our agitation.
Kani gadega Pati CCTV.